Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now I just felt like coming on here and doing like a super chill, stay home with me and try out some new makeup products. So guys, I think last week I got this product from Revolutons Makeup, from their Revolutons Pro line, and they sent me 3 of the new neutral palettes and 8 of the I think it's the new neutral satin matte lipsticks, right? So sent me 3 of the new neutral palettes, which by the way are so gorgeous. The packaging looks just so lush, like so beautiful. I don't know which ones to play around with, but this one is the new neutral passion palette. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna open that up. I'm not gonna be swatching all this just because I feel like I might just give away 2 of the palettes, because honestly there's only so many palettes I can have. This one is the blushed palette. For some weird reasons I'm in love with this one just because of this shade right here. Again, I can't touch any of the shades because it's protected by this. And this is the blushed palette. This is what it looks like. The packaging is so good. And this is a smoked palette. Obviously we know that this one is more of like a nighttime smoky type of vibe. I love all these colors, and I want to say that I think these ones are the dupe for the Huda Beauty ones, the Huda Beauty neutral palettes as well. So with this palette that is sent, we can sort of transition from like neutral morning look to like a daytime, glam look, and then like a nighttime smoky look, and that's the vibe I'm getting with all 3 palettes. And also they sent me 8 of the new neutral matte satin lipsticks. So they sent me 8. I have 4 on this hand as well as 4 on this hand. However, they sent me like I want to say pairs, but like similar shades, but shades that are close to each other. Like these 2 right here, these 2 right here again are almost similar. These 2 also are also similar, but are totally like different shades. These 2 as well are almost similar. But what I'm gonna do is, instead of swatching all of these 8 shades, I'm just gonna take out 4. I'm gonna swatch out 4, which are these ones, and put this one in my maybe giveaway pack so that you guys can try them out if you're interested. So we're going to be playing around with the blushed palette. What I want to do now is to just take this out. So I'm going to just apply my P. Louise base on my eyes like I always do. I'm going to go in with my first transition shade, and guys, this orange right here is just calling my name. So what I want to do now is to go in with, let me try out this shade right here, or let me see what this shade looks like. Trying to use all the shades. Oh, this is pretty, and it definitely picked up a lot of products. I'm not even going to play myself. So I'm just going to wing this out. I think I want to use this shade right here under my lash line. I'm going to just take my loose setting powder and just kind of, not really big, but apply that underneath my eyes just to catch any fallout. We are just playing around with this. I'm gonna go in with Scarlet, which is this shade right here. This right here is Scarlet. I'm gonna use that shade. But the matte shades are really good. I feel like this would be a very gorgeous palette if you're trying to achieve like a really matte monochromatic look. Let's try Curio. This copper shade right here. Oh, so it's really buttery and creamy, and I love. So we'll just blend that shade right into the rest. Guys, so far so good. I'm definitely loving how these shades are turning up for me. I'm gonna go in with Dazed right here. All right, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use that just around the inner corners right here, just to swatch the shade and see what it looks like. I'm seeing a little bit of fallout on underneath my eyes. I think I should dust it out before applying. Okay guys, so I've been itching to try out this glitter shade over here, but just because we're doing this video, we might as well just play around with it to see how it works on the lid and not just how it swatches on the hand. So I don't know how to play with glitters. I don't know, like, but I do know that I need to be very careful because it can go really messy really quick. So I'm gonna just apply that shade just on top of the inner corner over here. You do have to blend, like you do. I'm trying to be careful so it doesn't touch my face. You do have to push in the glitters. You know what? Let me bring you guys in even closer. Okay, now, so that should honestly, hopefully, look a little bit better. So, nope, this was not the plan. Definitely, we are getting a lot of fallout. So I think I want to line my eyes, come back, and then do my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go in with these two shades that we used on the outer, on our crease. I don't know what color this is, so it's like an aqua shade, and apply that on so this is what we're looking like now. I feel like I kind of like this shade right here, this gala shade, but I want to just pop that on. So that's what we're doing. We're kind of creating like a smoky look. This is what we're looking like right now. Let me just go ahead to pop on a pair of lashes so that everything comes together and I'm not looking as crazy as I am right now. Guys, so this is what the finished look looks like. So right now, what I want to do now is to go ahead to swatch out these lipstick shades. So I'm going to start off first of all with Reveal. This is the box that it comes in. Very cute. So now this is Reveal. Again, I don't have any lipstick or lip liner on my lips, just so you guys can see the true colors. I don't know if it's me, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like it's a pretty shade. Oh, it's actually a really pretty shade, but I feel like you probably have to like apply it over and over again just to make it look a little bit more pigmented and less, you know, how it's looking like right now. Okay, so it definitely comes off so easy. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the second shade. This is Latte. We're just going to swatch this one again. Oh, this is This kind of reminds me like it reminds me like a concealer shade. Oh, I feel like this would look so nice. This over like a brown liner. This is just me. This is what Latte again looks like. Let's swatch the shade Struck. This is what she looks like. Okay, so this is what Struck looks like. So this is the shade Plush. Yeah. Oh, wow. Just wow. Like, she's giving me like Beyonce vibe already. Now, something that I'm noticing about the lipsticks is that the deeper the shades are, the more pigmented it is. I don't know if it's just in terms of the color. But with this one, I'm definitely getting a lot more depth in terms of like the colors and richness and all of that. It still feels the same, very moisturizing. You could pretty much not feel anything on your lips, which is amazing. This is so beautiful. So what I want to do now is to just top up this brown. Let me just clean a little bit of the inner, all right? And top it with this Latte shade right here, just to give like an ombre effect. These two shades mixed together, so beautiful. So yeah, so that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section which of these lipsticks you particularly love and how you felt about this entire, you know, makeup tutorial look swatch review. This lipstick right now on my lips are definitely my favorites. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are staying at home if you can. And yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Be amazing, stay safe, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.